right at the 5 o'clock ringing. Good job, boys. Whew. How many steps was that, Hayden?
414.
This is Florence. We earned it. Woo! Good job, boys. It's a hard-earned view there. Made it right up at the 5 o'clock bell ringing. Bell started ringing right when we got here. That's what you call impeccable timing, Hayden. You guys, real quick. It's on video, guys. You guys just
Hi.
from greetings from the top of the Cathedral of Florence.
Yeah.
Bell tower. 414 steps to get this view with my two oldest sons,
Yeah.
Wolf and Aiden.
Yeah.
And that is the
Beautiful
amazing dome we're looking at. And this is
Hopefully we'll be able to do that tomorrow.
Yeah, and this is the top of Florence. To get to the top of the dome is 463 steps, 50 more steps than we just did, but it was sold out. But I'd say this was pretty good at the train wreck when we got to the top. Wow, it's beautiful. Can you see Dad and Finn anywhere down there? I would not want to drop this. You see him anywhere down there, guys?